Learn and play online.
Phonics CVC Practice Video 3. In today's video, you will be using your knowledge of phonemes. Phonemes are sounds. There will be 10 CVC words for you to try and spell. CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant. You will get 10 seconds to try and spell each word. Record your answers on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. How many will you get right? Good luck! Word 1 is jam. J-A-M. J-A-M. Jam.
Word 2 is fox. F-O-X. F-O-X. Fox. Word 3 is tin. T-I-N. T-I-N. Tin.
Word 4 is 10. T-E-N. T-E-N. 10. Word 5 is bat. B-A-T. B-A-T. Bat. Word 6 is gum. G-A-M. G-A-M. Gum. Word 7 is bib. B-I-B. B-I-B. Bib. Word 8 is top. T-O-P. T-O-P. Top. Word 9 is peg. P-E-G. P-E-G. Peg. Word 10 is nut. N-A-T. N-A-T. Nut. We hope you had fun practicing your phonemes.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more videos.